All right, this is the homework for this week. Now you can see on this page, I put pictures that happen only when we learn at school, pictures that happen only when we learn at home, and pictures of what happens both at school and at home. Now I want you to move these words to match them up with the pictures. So let's see, kitchen. Oh, kitchen is over here because you're only in the kitchen when you're at home. And pajamas. Up, pajamas is over here, and the dog, because that only happens when you're at home. Now, school lunch, that only happens when we're at school. So you're going to move these words to match the pictures. Now, here we're going to write about this. Whatever is alike in the middle, that's what you're going to write about. So here in the middle, we can see both at school, you have your laptops, and there's a lot of questions because you are learning. So we can say they both use laptops to help us learn. And however, they are different because when we learn at home, we can be with our pets and in our pajamas in bed. But when we learn at school, looks like we have to take the bus and wear masks and be in a classroom. But when we learn at school, we take the bus, comma, wear masks, and are in a classroom. Now here on page 3, you're going to compare what is only in the United States, what is only in your home country, and what is in both places. Now, I don't know how this is going to work. It depends on you. Did you have a school bus at home? Well, you're going to have a school bus here, so maybe that goes here for both places. Did you have a cold winter at home? Or maybe only here in the US? What about your family? Were you with your family at home and in the US? Then that would go here. So you're going to match up these pictures, and then you're going to write about that again. The United States and, so put your home country. Maybe you write Cuba. Maybe you write Tanzania. Maybe you write Turkey. Maybe you write Malaysia. And then you say why they're both alike. Maybe they both have family, McDonald's, and playing soccer outside. However, they are different because in the US, maybe you live in a house instead of an apartment, or maybe you have cold winters. But and here you would put the name of your home country again. So again, maybe that's Cuba. We went to the beach, which you don't really do that here, and we ate a lot of coconut, and that's what you write. Now, number 5 is going to be harder. So if you look, there's a video here for the Paleolithic era and a video here for the Neolithic era. And here you're going to put what happened just in the Paleolithic era, which was when everyone was hunter-gatherers 2 million years ago. Now on this side, you're going to put what happened in the Neolithic era, which was 10,000 years ago, and people started farming. And in the middle, you're going to put what's true for both of them. Well, everybody used fire, so that would go in both. When you're done with that, here you write about it. The Paleolithic and the Neolithic era are alike because they both used fire to cook. However, they are different because people in the Paleolithic era had to hunt for their food, but people in the Neolithic era raised animals for food. Okay, so that's this time we are comparing, which means things are the same, and contrasting, which means things are different.